Kumain ako. Kaloka. Busog ako. Kadasal. Duster lang si Lola Basha. It's early in the morning. I am walking in the mall. You know, when you're old already, there's nothing to do in your life. And Kim, saan punta? Ay nako, Kim, alam mo ba dyan sa Mr. DIY, ang daming nga bibili ko ano-ano dyan.
Bumili ng ano.
Ay, ito gusto kong luggage. Luggage na naman. Where are you going? Ay, hindi iyan. Natatwa. Yes, Kate. Where?
May busini pala.
My goodness. It's Christmas. Japan Homes. Kim, tumingin ka strainer dyan. Japan Homes. Parang 88 lahat, 88 lang lahat dyan. 60% off. Ang bed. Ano yan? Hello Kitty sponge? Parang hindi ko gagamitin yon.
Alam mo, puro ganito dati ba?
Punong-puno ng Hello Kitty yung room. You know, Kitty, when I was like around 20s, in my 20s, all my things are Hello Kitty. No kidding. Ay, Kim Ira, maganda pa regalo to kay Julie.
Oh, yeah.
Brush and then at the same time mirror.
I really will like that.
Yeah. Julie will like
She
that.
wants a sketchbook. But I want this.
Kaya sa ano na lang.
Diba? Sa say brush and mirror. Dalaga na yun eh. She's...
Mamimili ako sa 50. Gusto ko na lang.
Ternohan mo yun na something. Something.
Something Hello Kitty.
What is this? What is this? Ito, yung ganito, oh. Yeah. Oo, Ziploc. Magagamit ka sa school yan. Ano ka ba? Ziploc sa matibay yun eh. Hindi naman basta Ziploc na ano kachipan. Yeah, it's so cute.
Except this one.
My granddaughter's just like me. Hello Kitty girl. Black naman dyan. Dito tayo dumaan. Ayan na. Lalabas na si ate. Dito oh. Kate, come here.
Yay!
I don't want this.
It's so cute.
It is cute.
Oh, look at this container. I
Baka mabasa.
Katie, hindi mo kailangan ng container. Ano, lalagyan ng salt, sugar.
I'm thinking about my candy.
Oh, yeah. You have point. Ay! Oh my God. I thought I saw a potty cat. Ay, this one, Caitlyn, no? Lalagyan ng candies. Oh,
Oh, yeah.
starry siya. Oh my gosh! Kim!
Pepperoni.
Kim, ito. Bigyan mo ng ganito si Julie. Tapos yung ano.
Yeah,
This one.
Yeah.
She also
Yeah.
loves Karun. We're the same.
Yeah, me too.
Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this.
And this is so cheap, Kim, oh. Bagay sa'yo yan. Si Kopi girl ka. Ah, bagay sa'yo yan.
Guys, look. I found jewelry.
What? Yung pa, naka, sasakit lang ang skin mo dyan.
Here?
OMG.
I know.
Si Labubu.
What's Labubu?
Na Labubu, the monster.
I don't understand you.
This one is my melody. Ay, it's...
Four.
eh.
I found the
Ay, Kim at this trainer. Kimba.
Guys, hold on.
Kimba. Kahit ganito lang kaliit.
Ano to?
Hindi yan. Yung ano ka, ganyan ginagamit natin eh. Oh, yan oh. Oh, masyado naman to. Mas malaki-laki to. Ganyan. Maliit lang naman. Ay, ano ba? Nabusog ako, Lord. Thank you. Ang sakit ng tiyak. Kalakad. So hard for me to move. Ha?
Hindi, ang dami mo na.
Katie, ang dami-dami mo nakaka-allergy mga stuffed toys like that.
Nakaharang sa bahay ako. Ako na kapagod.
Oh my God, may langaw.
What?
Ayan oh, nakadapo.
Oh my god, that's gross.
Parang mas maganda yata yung ganito na.
Yes, yung malaki. Yung mas malaki.
Na lang ako.
Ayan oh, bilhin mo na ng... Ayan, ang ganda makapal.
Bella, what's this?
What is...
What's
Eh
this?
di, you put that in a hamburgers.
Never mind.
Yeah. You know the pika-pika thing.
I don't know
Right.
that. Oh, do you like the flat thingy?
Diba, you gonna eat na sausage.
Rotate. Kaya
Mas
hirap
malaki
yata
to. Mas malaki to. Maganda
may
to.
laki.
Oo. Ito nahihiwalay. Ugasan ng, fruits. Ugasan ng vegetables, meat. Ito pa, mas pinakamalaki. Oh.
Ito yan, ako tatabi.
Mommy, look, this is so cute. Squishy.
Sponge yan. Are you washing dishes?
No.
Exactly.
Pero hindi ba ito mainit sa kamay?
Hindi. Ito, kapal nga eh. Pero, ano, what? Ang daming ka-etchosan dito sa Japan homes.
Wala mo ko niyan.
Ito, ganito.
Lagyan ng plate. Lagyan ng plate.
Ganito nga.
Parang ganyan. Kung may mas
Look
maganda
at this,
dyan.
Bella.
Mas matibay yung, mas matibay yung nasa, mas matibay yung nasa TikTok. Ay, strainer na Hello Kitty, mas maganda.
Really clear.
Ay, bibili ko nito. Bibili ko nito para sa grapes ko. Sa grapes, apple, oranges, salad.
Bella, I have like this
I know, right?
here.
Yeah.
So we don't need to buy it in Japan. If we just gonna
Kim Ira, katulad ng bag ni Kate.
And these come without the character. There's even the black ones.
Diba buburakay ka? Ba't may ganito ka Kim mo? Na bag.
Bili lang ako pagkaan. Kailangan ko.
Oo, lagayan ng mga ano.
Matagal pa.
Caitlyn, ito yung favorite mo. Oh. Oh,
Yeah, I told you that.
pie.
That
Kim. Kim, oh. Padadala ko ng gato si Nova. Magugustuhan to ni Nova.
Sa ano na lang pag namili ako.
Kaya nga, padala natin si Nova niya.
Yes, they put it back.